The market drops as expected and then falls off a cliff. Are you starting to worry? This is Invest with Jacob. Okay guys, so as we talked about in yesterday's video, the market moved lower as expected, and just after the close, they broke the January 24th low that I've been talking about us needing to break for quite some time. Just before the close, I told my trading group to expect 4,200 to 4,170 before seeing a bounce, and the market blew through those levels down to the 1618 fib at around 4115. It's now starting a bounce, and we have to see if it really wants to bounce here or continue to move lower. I'll get into all that in just one second, but first, if you're new here, welcome to the show, guys. My name is Jacob Gabbard, and this is Invest with Jacob, where we use Elliott Wave Theory to break down the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get our daily S&P updates, our trade setups, and our buy alerts. All right, guys, with the after hours move down, they have extended wave 3 here, and it looks like they're trying to complete it before bouncing in 4. So let's jump into the chart and take a look. Okay, guys, so here we are on the 1-hour futures chart for the S&P 500, and as we expected today, the market moved down, and then it ended up challenging this January 24th low and breaking through, and once it did, it really accelerated, and it broke through the 1236 and 382 fibs that I thought might hold this move down and went directly to the 1618. So the 1618 fib is a very common target for a wave 3 to end, and it looks like they just took the express route down to do that. Now, what I would like to see, okay, is the 1618 fib hold, and we get a bounce up for 4, and then a move down for wave 5 to complete this bigger wave 4, which also completes the C and the V and everything else. So if we do get a bounce, I would like to see a minimum of this 4168 level, but really what I would like to see is the 4202 or 4256 fibs for a bounce in 4 before we get that move down. Now, can they move this directly down? Absolutely. They can continue to move this down and break this 1618 fib. The next target down would be 4028. We do have room under this. This area is just the target based on the structure that we have and the big picture structure. We could go down and break 4,000. It really wouldn't be until we break 3,900 that I'd have concern about the potential for a wave 5 up from this correction. So that's what we're really looking for today, guys, is this fib to hold and give us a bounce up toward the 4256, 4202 region, but a bare minimum of 4168. And if it does move lower, they can extend this. We would look for 4028 to hold before seeing a bounce from there and then a wave 5 down. Again, guys, we do have room lower than this 4028 level. Again, all the way down to that 3900 level before I would start to have some serious concerns about the potential for a wave 5 bounce out of this correction. One other thing to note, guys, we've made a 2% move down in the after hours. And if you go look at the daily chart, okay, the MACD here still has positive divergence on the MACD. So even with this super strong move down, we're seeing positive divergence on the MACD on the daily chart, and it is still in oversold support territory. Again, we're lower than we were in 19. We're lower than we were in 18. So that is another strong indication for the bulls. Okay, guys, over on the NASDAQ, we see a similar situation. We got the big move down. They broke the 1382 fib over here, not quite as deep as the ES went. And we'd like to see a bounce back up toward the 1.0 fib at 13,616 before getting a wave 5 lower down towards 12,575 on the NASDAQ. Now, if the NASDAQ chooses to push deeper, I would expect it to hold the 12,972 range, which is the 1618 fib, and then bounce from there back up towards this 13,370 or 13,616 area for a wave 4. And then we should see the wave 5 down towards 12,575. Again, guys, we have room under this 12,575, so if we do need to move our targets down a little bit, that's not the end of the world. Overall, guys, we're still well within our corrective parameters, and even though you see these big red bars down and this huge 2% move that we've gotten in this overnight, it has not gone outside the parameters of a standard correction. Okay, so until I see something that does that or we break a key level to the downside, I still believe we will find a bottom and start a rally in wave 5 higher off of this correction. Guys, if you like the information that I put out in these videos and you want peace of mind in a market like this, okay, over the last few days, we have navigated all of this whipsaw very well. We've had people making money hand over fist based on the information that I give out in my trading room. Come check out investwithjacob.com, okay? Once you get over there, check out our membership plans. We have 2 different plans. They both come with a 7-day free trial, so you can come in, try it out for free, make sure you like it, make sure you understand what's going on, get all your questions answered. Okay, our first package is my Invest with Jacob room. That is my room where I give you real-time market updates, all of the key levels, where I think it's going to reverse, where I think it's going to bounce, and I answer all of your Elliott Wave questions and give you my buy and sell trade alerts. Okay, you get that 7-day free trial so you can come in and check it out. Now, I only trade the S&P and the NASDAQ. So if you're looking for individual stocks as well as an incredibly unique trading style that crushes the market, check out PT's Throne Room. Okay, with his package, you get my room, you get everything that comes with my room, and on top of that, you get PT's unique trading style that absolutely kills the market. He's one of the best traders I've ever been around, and day in and day out, I've never seen a guy make money like he does. So you get that free trial. Come check it out, see if you like it. If you don't, hey, no big deal. It's not for you. If you do, we'd love to have you come over and make some money together. All right, guys, key takeaways for today. We're looking for the bulls to stop the bleeding a little bit and hold this 41.15 level and bounce on the ES, the futures. We would look like a minimum bounce of 41.68, but really we would like to see the 42.02 to 42.56 level for this bounce. If they do try to push it lower, the next level down would be this 40.28 level to see if they can bounce it from there. Again, we have room below us all the way down to the 3900 level before I would start to worry about the wave 5 potential off of this correction. For the NASDAQ, very similar. We are looking at them to try to bounce it from here, but if they do push down, they are going to be looking at the 12,972 level, the 1618 fib. But if they bounce it from here, we are looking at the 13,616 level for wave 4 up, and then wave 5 down towards this 12,575 level to complete this move down. All right, guys, that is the market update for today. I will talk to you tomorrow.